Good evening everyone, welcome to Gradeup. So as I have told you that today we are going to discuss in yesterday's session. In yesterday's session we have discussed that I'm going to tell you regarding, I'm going to give you some information regarding the PSUs, okay, for which most of us have gave this exam or going to give this exam, okay, which is your GATE. So this is basically for GATE 2021 aspirants, okay. So from my point of view, if I say what is the importance of this session, from my point of view, this session is wholly dedicated towards giving you the motivation, all right, the right motivation that is needed for you to prepare for GATE 2021, all right. So motivation could come from anywhere, but in today's session we will see how you will get motivated by this particular thing, CTC, also known as salary. How much salary these PSUs are going to give you, and what is the cutoff for those PSUs. So there are two things. First, you have to get motivated, or you will get motivated after knowing the CTC of different PSUs that you can get with the help of GATE examination, okay, and how much marks you need, to get this much salary, that also I will tell you in today's session, okay. So good evening everyone once again, and we'll just begin this session, all right. And for 20 seconds, let's just wait for 20 seconds so that everyone can join the stream, and then we'll begin today's session, which is all about PSUs, recruitment, eligibility, cutoff, and the most important thing, CTC or salary, all right. So good evening everyone. You can till then, since we are waiting, please tell me how are you all. Everything is fine? How's your preparation? Okay, and I think we are good to go to begin this session, all right. So I'll give you the information regarding these three things, which is the eligibility, cutoff, or and CTC, okay. So let's just begin the session. See, this is my profile. 2-year teaching experience, MTech from IIT Roorkee, cleared SSC JEE, GATE 17, 18, 19. Area of expertise is transportation engineering, fluid mechanics, surveying, and hydrology. I know. Yes, this is for civil. Okay, for civil engineering only. Please. Okay, all the PSUs will be based on the civil engineering. Okay. Hello, Ashish. Hi. All right. So I think this won't motivate you, all right. So let's talk about the basic thing, okay, the whole point of today's session. So I have took some PSUs, okay, in which the civil engineering students are eligible after giving GATE, okay. So these are the names of the PSU, the procedure after GATE, and how many marks you need, okay, to reach up to this process. They are mentioned here. So somewhere the criteria is from this 100 marks, somewhere it's from 1000 marks, okay. Good evening everyone. I'm again telling you, this is the whole information will be based on civil engineering PSUs, all right, okay. How to start GATE preparation with having zero knowledge about civil subject. Lochin Kumar, see, this is to everyone who thinks that they don't have civil knowledge right now, okay. As I can assure you, as I know from my experience, that you are going to begin this preparation, all right, and you have only studied civil engineering in BTech level, all right, in your college. See, I'm telling you personally, I had zero knowledge when I was in my BTech, all right. So that particular civil engineering information is different, which we use to clear our semester examination, but the things that we are going to use in GATE, it is completely different. So you are lucky that you have zero knowledge right now. You have a whole year to consume the knowledge, the new knowledge, because if you will have some the old knowledge, it will get overlapped. Okay, so you don't have that thing, so it's good for you. You have zero knowledge, no issue. The best part will be you will need a good plan, okay, a proper source of information and a good strategy. All right, 1 year is more than sufficient. I'll say 6 months are more than sufficient even if you have zero knowledge. All right, Lochin Kumar, this was for you only. Okay, so let's talk about all the PSUs. So let's begin with IOCL. IOCL, see, all the PSUs based on oil, okay, they are very good. Okay, they are very good, as you can see with the CTC also. So IOCL has the procedure. They will conduct GD and PI. PI is personal interview, okay, and CTC is 17 lakh as your first salary. Okay, first salary. All right, and what you need, how much marks you need is general 60, OBC 57, SC 47, ST 44, 60 marks. Okay, not much. Okay, so you can get this much of salary as your first salary. All you have to do is you have to be motivated. You have to keep your focus on only one thing, which will be GATE 2021. All right, you can easily get this much amount of salary. Okay, next is EIL procedure, personal interview only. CTC 15 lakhs. How much marks you need? 77.19. These are the cutoff from previous years. Okay, cutoff from previous year. Next is ONGC again, PI, only PI is there, no GD. CTC 20 lakh as your CTC. Okay, so general 885. This is from the normalized marks which we get from 1000, the score, GATE score. This is GATE marks and this is GATE score. Out of 1000 you have to get these much marks to get into the procedure of ONGC. Okay, and then PI will be there. Then we have NPCIL 56,000. This is a basic pay. This is the pay scale actually after getting DA, TA, and there will be so many things that you will get approx that much amount only. Okay, 10, 11. All right. Then can you convert score to marks for ONGC, NPCI? See, the thing is, this marks and score, okay, this depends on numerous things. When you will get your GATE scorecard, and they have given you the formula, and that formula consists of so many values that they vary for every year. So we can't change it, okay, unless we know all the values. Okay. All right, so these are the things for NPCIL. Then we have NLC. NLC have again GD if required. GD and PI is always there. 8.6 lakhs is the package that you will get. Approximately, could you convert? See, I don't want to give you the wrong information. That's why I'm not telling you. My opinion. This is my opinion. This is not a fact. If 885 is there. See, this is very, very difficult. Actually, number of students plays a lot of important role here. So I can't comment on this. All right. So 20 lakh for ONGC. See, this much salary. If you like this much salary, please like this video also. Okay. That will be great for you and me as well. Then NLC 8.6 lakh we have discussed. NBCC have no interview. NBCC will have no interview. There will be a merit list. Okay. It's 60% enough to get placed in PSU. There are some PSUs, okay, you have to check their eligibility criteria. Okay, you have to check their eligibility criteria. All right, and most probably I think according to your category you'll be able to get. Okay, but you have to check once. So NLC 8.6, NBCC will give you this much is the basic pay. All right, again after getting TADA the package will come around this only 8, 9, 10. All right, then we have Okay, marks, general marks 60. Okay, 60 marks are required. So as you can see here, by getting 60 marks, 60 to 60 marks also, you can score good, you can get a good PSU. Okay, which one is better, GATE or ESE? See, this thing, GATE and or ESE choice, it wholly depend upon the candidate. Okay, some people see benefit in ESE, some sees in GATE. Okay, they have advantages and disadvantages, like their own disadvantages and advantages, so we can't compare them. All right, so it will be better if you see by yourself and then decide. Okay, because this will be your job. Okay, it will be your name on the nameplate outside your home, so you have to decide. Next, rights have personal interview, and the package that they'll provide you is 11 lakhs. Okay, 11 lakhs again. All right, so good package you are getting as you will enter in any PSU. Okay, in any PSU. All right, then what else we have is, okay, next is HAL again personal interview will be there, and the CTC that you will get is this much. This is the grade pay, this is the pay scale. Okay, this much, this is not the in-hand salary, this is the pay scale. Okay, you will get more than this. All right, so the cutoff are like this. These are the information that are not available, so this much is required. TSDC, which is Tehri Dam, TSDC, 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs, 60 out of 100. Yes, obviously 60 out of 100. Okay, 60 out of 100. Prabhakar Jordan, sir, say about NIT, IIT college. NIT and IIT colleges, I think there is already a video on YouTube channel. You can watch the cutoff from that video. Okay, it is already there. It is taken by Tilak sir. You can check it once. Okay, if it's not there, then just remind me when I'll take the session, Jordan. All right, you know when I take the sessions. NHPC has this GD and PI, and again this is the pay scale. This is a pay scale. All right, and you know again how much you will get. All right, and the marks is 79, 75, 62, and no information is there. Then we have IRCON. All right, 20,000 to this much. Cutoff, and very high cutoff. All right. Okay, next what we have, does GATE equally places student in PSU who have equivalent branch, civil and environmental engineering? 28. Sorry, I didn't get you to civil. Just be more specific, then I'll try to answer you. All right, then we have NHAI. NHAI is really good for civil. As you all know, National Highway Authority of India. All right, this much is the basic pay, and this is the out of 1000 marks that you need to get. Please make your goal after seeing this cutoff. Okay, make your goal for GATE 2021 that you have to get this much of marks. Then only you will be you will stay motivated, and you have to remember these numbers. This column should be very important for you. All right, at this particular stage, just imagine yourself after 1 year. All right, after 1 year, just imagine yourself, okay, with this much of package, with this much of salary in your bank account. All right, so this is the thing for NHAI, and this Airport Authority of India, 9.1 lakh, 81, 676, and 68 and 70. So 81 is your target here. All right, then we have NTPC, one of the best PSUs, I'll say. All right, the facilities that you get in these PSUs, you can't even imagine them right now. If you want a deep knowledge about these, which all branches are eligible. See, I have only chosen the PSUs which in which civil is eligible. Okay, Hariom Jan. Eligibility qualification is for the first thing is GATE. Okay, and in GATE, how much the cutoff is. All right, suppose we are talking about NTPC, so you have got 83 marks. Okay, then you will be called for personal interview. Okay, and you will be called for personal interview, and then everything will be decided there. Okay, some proportion of GATE marks will be there, and some proportion of interview. All right, and then we will see like this is the whole qualification there. All right, then we have HPCL. Again, HPCL is a good PSU. Personal interview is there. Okay, for AAI there is no interview, and for TSDC also there is direct merit list. Okay, in merit list they'll just call you, and the top people will be get selected. So 60,000 to 1,80,000, 1,80,000 per month, per month. Okay, this is per month. Cutoff is 67 marks. They are, trust me, if you will be stay focused only, there are two words, persistent and consistent. If you will remain persistent and consistent for only suppose 1 year, or you'll say just for 9 to 10 months, more than sufficient. Okay, it is more than sufficient. If you are studying, then study every day. Okay, and persistent means if you have focused on GATE and ESE, then stay focused on it. Do not get distracted to other examination, or do not get involved in some other thoughts that your friends have. Okay, make your own thoughts. All right, you have to hear everyone, and then you have to make your own choice. Okay, because as I have told you, when somebody asked me that whether GATE is better or ESE is better, PSU is better or ESE is better, I have told you that it is your name that going to be reflected outside your main gate of your home as your name and the company in which you are working, the PSU or the department. All right, so these are the PSUs in which civil engineers are eligible. Okay, and these are the amount that you and I want in your account, and these are the cutoffs for all the PSUs. All right, so if you think that this video helped you in any manner, in motivation or in information or in any manner, you can give me a thumbs up. All right, and we are going to have our own course also. Okay, it will be a complete whole year course for GATE and ESE. Okay, all the classes will be live. All the classes will be live. All right, but you will have the recorded version also for those classes. You will get the whole information regarding these type of what you call courses. Okay, soon enough. Okay, so there will be a lot of things in that particular course. Okay, so it is basically a whole package of preparation. Okay, whole package. It will comprise of test series, it will comprise of quizzes, daily quizzes, not after subject is completed, daily quizzes. Okay, that classes are free or cost. It is a course, Jordan, it is a course. It will be like paid course. All right, but in the beginning you will get access, and in a preview period you can watch the video, all the videos, and you will know how the course is going to be run. All right, in that particular thing. So you can say it is a demo period. Okay, so anyone can join that demo period, and if you think that it is worth buying that course, it will have a very nominal fee. Okay, not like offline coachings. It will have a very nominal fee, and the timings of the classes will be accordingly, so that all the people who are doing jobs, okay, or the third year student, both will be compatible with the timings. All right, so quizzes will be there, and the best part is you will have the table, or you can say the timetable or the schedule of whole year. Okay, day one only you have the date that, okay, from environmental engineering, this sedimentation tank, coagulation aided sedimentation tank will be he will be teaching that subject on this date at this time. Okay, in June only you can tell that, okay, in September at this time this topic will be there. Okay, so this will be the most advantageous thing in my point of view for you, so that you can properly make your plan accordingly. Okay, then we have okay, so green card. Actually, green card is Gradeup's scheme, in which if you will buy this yearly green card, then you will get, actually this is not 399, it's 499. Then you will get you will get the access to all the test series which will be there on the Gradeup app. All right, all the test series access you will get for complete 1 year. For this yearly card, for monthly card you will get it for a month. Okay, so for getting more information and free content also and important things, you can come to the Gradeup app. Okay, and there you didn't answer me. Okay, just wait, let me just see where is your comment. Is this your comment? I am a student of Civil and Environmental Engineering branch code 28. I have an equivalent certificate to Civil. Does GATE place this branch students in PSU? See, GATE has nothing to do with the PSUs. They don't have any contract with them like among themselves. Okay, every PSU will have their own rules. All right, so some will take it as an equivalent branch and some may not, but it will be given in the notification itself. All right, I hope you have got your answer. So on Gradeup app you can come, and also if you want to get connected with me personally on the app, then you can come to the app and you can search my name. My name is Joshit Singh, and you can follow me on the app, and if you have any doubt you can ask the doubt in the doubt section. All right, and in doubt section, after putting your doubt, just you have to write @ and my name. Okay, as soon as you will write JOS, you will get a suggestion and you can tap on the suggestion and I will be get tagged in that particular doubt, and I'll try to answer you personally on that doubt section. Okay, so this was all about your PSUs, their cutoff and CTC. I hope after looking at all the CTCs you are no more confused regarding attempting GATE or not. All right, there are a lot of ways. Okay, and trust me, the jobs that you will get from GATE, they are really respectful and helpful, and as you know, economically very, very attractive. Okay, so till then, prep smart, score better, go Gradeup. Good night everyone.